Which country currently has the highest population in the world? A. India. B. China. C. USA. Correct answer is A. India. Which country's laws are considered the strictest in the world? A. Japan. B. Singapore. C. Russia. Correct answer is B. Singapore. In which Indian city is the memorial of Rani Lakshmibai located? A. Jhansi. B. Gwalior. C. Kanpur. Correct answer is B. Gwalior. In which city is the headquarters of the Reserve Bank of India (RBI) located? A. Delhi. B. Mumbai. C. Kolkata. Correct answer is B. Mumbai. What is the capital of the Indian state Assam? A. Dispur. B. Guwahati. C. Tezpur. Correct answer is A. Dispur. Which type of wood is mainly used to make cricket bats? A. Teak. B. Shisham. C. Willow. Correct answer is C. Willow. Apart from India, which other country celebrates its Independence Day on August 15th? A. South Korea. B. Japan. C. Nepal. Correct answer is A. South Korea. In which Indian state was the metro rail service first started? A. Delhi. B. Kolkata. C. Maharashtra. Correct answer is B. Kolkata. Which country has the highest number of wealthy individuals in the world? A. China. B. United States. C. Germany. Correct answer is B. United States. Which city is known as the City of Roses? A. Jaipur. B. Pune. C. Chandigarh. Correct answer is B. Pune. Which is the largest snake in the world? A. Python. B. Anaconda. C. Cobra. Correct answer is B. Anaconda. Which place is associated with the death of Lord Buddha? A. Bodh Gaya. B. Sarnath. C. Kushinagar. Correct answer is C. Kushinagar. Which was the first metal used in human history? A. Iron. B. Copper. C. Silver. Correct answer is B. Copper. In which state of India is the Linguraj temple located? A. Tamil Nadu. B. Odisha. C. Karnataka. Correct answer is B. Odisha. Which country first confirmed the presence of water on the moon? A. India. B. USA. C. Russia. Correct answer is A. India. Which country in the world has no rivers flowing through it? A. Saudi Arabia. B. Qatar. C. UAE. Correct answer is A. Saudi Arabia. In which state or city of India is the Nagan Lake located? A. Himachal Pradesh. B. Jammu and Kashmir. C. Uttarakhand. Correct answer is B. Jammu and Kashmir. In which country are black swans found in the world? A. Australia. B. South Africa. C. USA. Correct answer is A. Australia. What is the name of Lord Ganesha's sister? A. Ashoka Sundari. B. Jyoti. C. Mansa Devi. Correct answer is A. Ashoka Sundari. Which country reads the most newspapers in the world? A. India, B. Japan, C. USA. Correct answer is B. Japan.